Foremost is a professional global manufacturer specializing in the research, design, production, and customized engineering of modular container buildings. With more than a decade of focused experience in Japanese and European markets, we own to standardized intelligent manufacturing bases in Qingdao, China. Our factory holds the official R-grade certification issued by the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport, and Tourism of Japan, one of the world's most rigorous structural steel manufacturing standards. We also fully comply with JIS, AWS, LR, and UN SDGs Sustainable Development certifications, ensuring all products meet high-end construction requirements across Japan, Europe, and America, equipped with complete automated production equipment and a professional technical design team. We support full process independent production, from structural design and mechanical calculation to customized manufacturing and official compliance document delivery. Our stable monthly output reaches 500 customized container units, enabling fast delivery for global orders. We provide a wide range of high-quality container building solutions, including JIS standard building containers, mobile medical clinics, container restrooms, swimming pool containers, spectator containers, and various non-standard modular constructions. As a reliable global supplier, we have served many world-famous enterprises and government projects. Most notably, we participated in the construction of the core modular container buildings for the 2025 Osaka World Expo Kawasan Pavilion, demonstrating our strength in maturity. High-standard international engineering projects, different from ordinary container manufacturers. Foremost redefines the value of traditional containers. We transform standard logistics steel structures into movable, recyclable, and stylish modern buildings, turning fixed real estate into globally transportable assets. Our modular products bring brand new commercial and spatial value to the construction industry. It is worth emphasizing that Foremost does not provide renovation or retrofit services for any worn or second-hand containers. Old shipping containers contain hidden structural risks, unqualified materials, toxic residues, and cannot meet Japan's strict building codes. They cannot pass official approval and may cause safety hazards, legal risks, and unstable quality. We only deliver brand new, fully certified customized container buildings to guarantee safety, compliance, and long-term reliability for every client. With professional strength, complete international qualifications, and strict production standards, Foremost continues to provide one-stop, high-quality modular container solutions for global architects, contractors, and overseas investors.